all of you, welcome to my channel. My name is Smriti, your coach from Smriti's Knowledge is present here. So, we are learning the class 7 Ncert chapter science chapter 3, Fibre to Fabric, and this is the part 3 of this chapter. So, we now in the class 7, we are learning about the animal fibers. And to measure animal fibers are wool and silk. So we are learning about the wool. Now here we have studied the most introduction part of wool. From where does the wool come, what are the breeds of sheep and all that. Then we have to also be sure that how does the fabric from wool can be made. So the steps I will teach you in the part 4, and here today we are going to learn the rearing and breeding of sheep. That is most important in the process of wool producing. So rearing and breeding of sheep, uh, now we need wool for to make a fabric. And from where the wool comes, the wool comes from the sheep, goat, camel, and llama, alpaca, etc. Now the major producer is sheep. Am I right? Yes. So here, if I will tell you that what is rearing. Now, as this sheep is the largest major producer of wool, first today we will study about the rearing of sheep. That is means rearing of sheep means to look after the sheep by providing them food, shelter, and health care. So, like to obtain wool from sheep, we also have to get connected with the sheep. By how? By providing the sheep food, shelter, shelter to live, healthcare, and proper treatment of them. Now, the persons who look after the sheep or the rearers have also a name. And what's that? Shepherd. The persons who look after the sheep or known as the rearers are called shepherds. So, other name of shepherds are rearers of sheep. Now, sheep are herbivores and prefer to eat grass and leaves. So, as we all know that sheep are the animals, these are herbivores. What is the meaning of herbivores? Herbivores are the animals those eat only plants and plant products. So most like they prefer to eat the grass and the leaves. So most of the shepherds, you will observe that they are found in the countryside. Countryside means villages. Because villages provide a clear land for grazing. And apart from grazing also. Now what grazing provides? Grazing provides the fresh grass and the leaves to the sheep. Now, apart from grazing, sheep rearers also feed them a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, materials left after taking out oil from this means oil cakes, and minerals. So, pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes, and minerals are given to them because they are rich in protein and also help in uh, growing the hair. Now, as we know that the wool is the hair of the sheep, right? Now, in winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grain, and dry fodder. In winter season, remember this, that sheep are reared, means reared, not the saved, means their hair is taken out from their body in the season of summer, in the summer season, because in we if we will save the hair in the winter season, they will feel cold, and now they will not have a proper health. So this we have to save them in summer season, because on the hair, full on the body, this will warm it, like feels hot. So the shepherds take out the uh, hair of the sheep or the wool. In winter season, sheep are kept indoors because they can feel cold and fed on leaves, grain, and dry fodder. So the breeding of sheep is done to obtain such breeds of sheep which yield good quality of wool in large quantity. Now we know that breeding of sheep, why this breeding of sheep is done. Breeding of sheep is done to obtain such breeds of sheep which yield good quality of wool in large quantities. These breeds of sheep have a thick coat of hair on their body and are called the sheep of good breeds. So here you can see that what is the breeding of sheep? Breeding of sheep is the process in which the shepherds try to obtain such breeds of sheep which yield good quality of wool by selecting their parents also. Now these breeds of thick sheep, now as they are some selective breeds, they have some features like thick coat of hair on their body, and these are also known as sheep of good breeds. Now breeding of sheep also raises the quality and quantity of wool produced. As I told you that there are some selective breeds of sheep, so say they raises thick coat of hair, that the hair on their body is known as wool, and the quality and quantity of the wool is means very good and nice also. Once the reared sheep have developed a thick coat of hair, the hair is shaved off for getting wool. Now the reared sheep have developed a thick coat of hair. Yes. Now after it will develop a thicker of hair, the hair is shaved off, as I have told you, and the cut of wool coat of a sheep along with a thin layer of skin is called fleece. Now you will be wondering that, ma'am, hair is shaved, that is fine, but with a thin layer of skin, it will hurt the sheep. No, no, because the thin layer of skin is nothing but the date skin that is made up of date cells, and it can be removed without any pain to the animal. Now the fleece contains of soft woolen fibers. Fleece means the wool, the hair consists of soft woolen fibers, and the fleece of sheep is usually kept in one place. So we have learned the detail about the rearing and breeding of sheep. Then we will complete the wool in the next part. So for today, this much. Thank you.